Today we're filming from San Marino.
Welcome to Wonkeyjase.
So today we're looking at the Alpine A110 and 110S. So the S is the supercharged one, and the start price for the 110 is 54,490, and for the supercharged one 67,490. Go all the way up to 91,490 pounds. It was a good car. Loads of power. Nice bucket seats in there, nice trim, got bash plates for you to put your paws, and all the controls are nice and easy to get to. 300 brake horsepower, just over 1.1 tonne, and 0 to 62 in 4.2 seconds. It's mid-engine and 171 miles per hour, 260 milliseconds for the automatic 7-speed gearbox to change gear. It's rear-wheel drive, and you get around 40-41 miles per gallon on a mixed urban trip. So we've got over 800 videos for you to watch, so please like, share, subscribe and all that kind of stuff. So it was against the Cayman versus the Alpine. Which one would I pick? I would pick the Cayman. It's a much better car altogether, but the Alpine is a lot more reserved. You don't see many of them on the road, so if you want something a bit special, people look at you and think, oh, what car is that? Then definitely the Alpine, but otherwise I would go for the Porsche. So please like, share, subscribe and comment below. We're also on TikTok, and on the next video, cucumber or batteries. That's coming up soon.